Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the sum and difference formulas for tangent to find the exact value of these three expressions right here. Let's begin. We will start with the tangent of 15 degrees. You'll note that 15 degrees is not a standard angle on the unit circle. But what I can do is I can write 15 degrees as either the sum of two angles on the unit circle or the difference of two angles on the unit circle. And I'm going to choose the difference because 15 degrees is equal to 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. I will let 45 degrees be alpha, and I will let 30 degrees be beta. So the tangent of 15 degrees is equal to the following. Okay, so now all that's left is to find the values of these tangents and then simplify the result. So we know that the tangent of 45 degrees is 1. The tangent of 30 degrees is 1 divided by the square root of 3. And this is 1 plus 1 times 1 divided by the square root of 3. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by the square root of 3 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by the square root of 3. And we're not going to leave our answer like that because we have fractions divided by fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 3. And if you distribute the square root of 3 to each of the two terms in the numerator and the denominator, it will follow that the tangent of 15 degrees is equal to the square root of 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus the square root of 3. Okay, the tangent of 19 pi 12ths. Well, just like in the previous two videos, it is possible to use the sum and difference formulas using radian measure, but it can be quite challenging and it's a lot more efficient to just write the radian measure in degrees. So in this case, tangent of 19 pi 12ths is actually the tangent of 285 degrees. So if you look on the unit circle, we can find two angles that sum to 285 degrees. We know that 285 degrees is equal to 225 degrees plus 60 degrees. So the tangent of 285 degrees is equal to the following. Using the sum formula. Okay, so now all that's left is to find the tangent values for both of those angles. Well, the tangent of 225 degrees is going to be 1. the tangent of 60 degrees is going to be the square root of 3. And this is going to equal 1 minus the tangent of 225 is 1, and the tangent of 60 is the square root of 3. So the tangent of 19 pi 12ths is equal to 1 plus the square root of 3, all divided by 1 minus the square root of 3. And finally, the third expression. Notice in the third expression that the two terms in the numerator are being subtracted. If we go to our formulas, when the two terms in the numerator are being subtracted, we are going to use the difference formula. So in this case, I'm going to let alpha equal 150. I'm going to let beta equal 120. So this expression that I'm writing right now this is equal to the tangent of 150 minus 120, which is equal to the tangent of 30 degrees, and the tangent of 30 degrees is 1 divided by the square root of 3, which is the square root of 3 divided by 3. And that is the exact answer for example number 3.